Right, I thought we'd do the Santa spread of the Christmas journal today, or one of them. Yeah, I'm going to put a bag here. This was a bag and I've cut it down the middle to do two. Okay, it's been gone through the spotty embossing, you know, the embossing machine, just a bit of raised there. And then I've stitched around, okay, and I've also stitched here because I want it to fit the tag. Okay, and for these tags, just got to trim a little bit off for those, and also it fits the little pockets that I've done, so that's going to go there, and then you're not going to see what I've done there anyway, so that will be fine. And like I say, I'll do two of those. I might put some lace down here as well. I thought I'd just stamp the background with some snowflakes, a little bit random. I'm using this one, I think it's graphite, but I'm going to stamp off and then stamp back on, if you know what I mean. So that, because I don't want it too overpowering, I want it very light. So this is an old stamp set from Hero Arts. Had it a long time. So let's make sure. See, that's not a bad colour. I'm going to see what second impression looks like. So that's the first and that's the second. It misses a bit there though, doesn't it? Right, 1, 2. Yeah, I want the second one. I haven't got grey, believe it or not. So 1, 2. That's okay. 1, 2. Okay, and switch around. Okay. It's catching somewhere. Where? Can't see it. Must be there. Let's see this. That's better. Okay, so I'm sort of going right the way round the edges. Turn around now. Just got to remember to stamp off. So I know you didn't. Oh, it's really bad weather here at the moment. Like windy and wet. Oh, horrible. Okay. Sometimes I haven't stamped off, but it's actually looking okay. There you go. Okay, that's going to be like that. Okay, that looks quite nice. I'm just going to do a bit sort of like that there. That's going to have the pocket on, so you're not going to see much of that. Okay, but I am going to carry on because it looks like this ink bleeds through to the other side, but I don't mind. I'm going to stamp off. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit of lace on here before I put the pocket on. Right, so what have we got? Oh, we've got some of this. I try to find lace that is quite delicate, so it's not too bulky. Yeah, we've got a flood alert, so got to be, because we've got a high tide here today and it's been raining all day. Yeah, so it's going at the back, isn't it? So this, then I'm gonna, when I stitch that on, I can stitch that around. The pocket's can go on after. Okay. I can glue actually the whole back, can't I? Because I'm not putting a pocket underneath as well, because this is only coffee stain paper and you find it's just too bulky for it. This one was because, like I said before, I printed some on very, very thin paper. Look, you can actually see the text through that from this. So that's how thin it is. So I just backed mine. So I didn't, I forgot I had it in the printer, so I didn't want to waste not using the pages. So I thought, well, I'll just back it. And that's why what I've done with this journal, a lot of them are double-sided and backed, you know, and I haven't been a long time since I've done that. So it made use of the pages instead of wasting them. So that goes there. And I've also got some embellishments, you know, well, actually some snippets. There'll be a video coming out on this. That's a little bit too big. I think that one might be the wrong shape. Oh, I don't know. That might work. And then that would be a little bit over the edge there as well. Quite like that. And what I might do is just... it's not going to work. I don't know why that's not going to work. I like them going that way. I don't like them tipped that way much, so I might have to be straight on that one. Yep, I think we'll do that. Okay, so we've got a little bit coming over the page as well, which is nice. Okay, so that's the tag that's going in at the top. So check that fits. All I had to do is take a slither off each side. So that goes there now. So that's great. So I'll make that into a tag and colour the back. I'm going to use this. This piece of card that's got like velvet snowflakes embossed on it. So I'm leaving that as it is. So I actually think that looks really lovely. So this one, I'm just going to spritz the back and just a bit. Okay. Oh, just trim that for a tag. I don't want this too thick because, again, it's only on coffee stain paper. So not quite dry, but be fine for this. Okay, I'm just thinking about something to go on the top. Let's have a look. Could have a little charm there. Right, that's what I'm going to do. So that'll be coming out that side. So I'll put grommet here. There, not sure if I got, so I'm just looking at this spotty, do you know what, I'm going to use some of that. Not sure if I've got any ready. I think I'd rather put it on a bit of ribbon or something. Let's see what we've got. So I haven't done many charms for this journal at all, which I do have to do. That would be quite nice. Right, something to go with it. See what we got. Oh, got a little bell. That's quite bulky, so forget that. So if it hangs on the outside, so I just want one little, oh, there we go, that's flatter, little star. Okay, that will be all right. Right, I should put them on there. So I put a ring on as well, okay? And then that will go through there. And that'll lie flatter if there's two rings. Okay, let's see if we've got anything here. I've got a lot, but not sure what. Oh, white will be all right, won't it? I'm just wondering. A bit of this lace because it's really fine, and I think it'll go quite small. You know what I mean? Very delicate, this lace, and it's actually really thin. So I'm hoping it will look okay. Go there, and I think I might have a word or something up there on top of that. Okay, let that dry, and let's have a look. Let's see what we've got. I might have a bit of this actually. Okay, I'm going to stitch mine on because I'm stitching around that, so I'll make a hole in this one. So do that and then stitch over it. These little bells too, haven't I? pinky little ones. Not sure whether they actually make a noise. Oh, I'll tell you what, we can put over that one when I've done, when I've stitched over it. I might put a little flower over that, look. So that'll go there. And here we go. Okay, so simple, very simple, but can look quite nice. All right. Okay, like I said, I'm doing quicker videos. I'm doing sort of like one project at a time, really, because of all the time it's taken me to edit and get the videos up, and because of, you know, Christmas coming, I'm going to just try and do short little videos, but maybe more often if I can. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. So just a little tiny centre spread, and take care, everybody. Speak to you soon.